Hello everyone, my name is Gina Jose. This is my first Unix Linux lab programming. In this first program, we are using some commands to display the questions we are using here. So first question is to display the contents of the user's home directory, including all the hidden files. For that, the command used is ls -a. So you can see the output here. All the work I have done is displayed here. The hidden files are also displayed here. That's .mozilla and all. So now the second question is to list the content of var directory. So for that I will type ls space here. As you can see here, ls space /var. So by using that, here all the var directory files are displayed. Third question, we have to create two directories. For that we are using make directory mkdir command, mkdir and the directory name. As you can see, when I'm giving ls, the two directories are displayed here, that is d1 and d2 in the blue color. The fourth question is to create a hidden directory with my name. For that the same command is used with a dot that will display be a hidden file. As you can see, this I have created. Now when I am giving ls -a, it shows all the directories hidden and everything. So it is showing my two hidden directories here. Now I have to change from the normal command directory to my directory, that is d1. So I'm giving it as you can see here, cd. We will give the command cd d1, so it will enter to d1. In the previous one it was tilde, now it's d1. Next is to copy the file this to current directory with sample.txt as a file name. For that I am using the command cp with copy context etc path directory to the sample.txt. As you can see, when I am typing this command, it's showing this. So as you can see, cat sample.txt, in that all these things are there. Now I have to change to the home directory, that is from I am in my directory, that is the directory created by me, that is d1. When I am giving cd, it is going to the home directory. Now the next question is to create a file test1.txt using vim editor and display the student's name who having research interest in programming and register number. So as you can see here, I have created a file called text1 and I have entered some, as you can see here, there is a file called text. There is a file called text1, and in that I have given a name and register numbers and I'm displaying it. Now I have to display the contents of the file without any blank lines. So for that I am using cat -b for blank line and the file name. So as you can see here, the output comes like this. Now I have to move the file sample.txt to directory 2. It's currently in directory 1. I am in directory 1. From there I have to move it to directory 2. For that I am using mv sample.txt, and it's where my sample.txt is to directory 2. Now in the next I have gone to directory 2 and I have checked my sample.txt is present there in directory 2. Now I have to rename the sample.txt file to new.txt. For that I am using move sample.txt to new.txt. Now if I am displaying it, it's displaying as new.txt. Next is to display the calendar of December 2020. For that, it's an inbuilt command, that is cal 12 2020. So the whole calendar will be displayed. Next is to remove the directory D1. For that, I am using rm-r d1. So here currently this was not displaying because I was in directory 2 and I was typing for directory 1, so there was no such file or directory inside directory 2. So when I am coming to my home directory, from there I can delete the directory 1, that is using the command rn-rm for removing. Now if I am displaying only D2 is there, no D1 is there, it's removed. Now to display the last 3 lines of test1.txt, for that tail -n3, how many we have to display, that many number we have to give here, and the file name. For displaying the history, we can use fc or history. If you are using fc -l, then it will display all the commands that you have used. Now we have to count how many files are present in our home directory. For that we are using ls-a. As you can see, these many the hidden files I have created, the directory I have created, these are all present in my home directory. So thank you for listening to this video. It's the end of the video. Thank you.